Hello Volcoholics community. We have an amazing opportunity that could elevate our shared experience to new heights. Imagine having a front row seat to the breathtaking views of a well-known location, all day, every day. We've been presented with a golden opportunity to install our very own high-quality camera at this stunning site, providing 24/7 live coverage for all of us to enjoy. But to make this dream a reality, we need your support. We've kickstarted a GoFundMe campaign to raise the funds necessary for the purchase of the camera and its installation. This is not just an investment in technology, it's an investment in our shared moments, the beauty of the location, and the spirit of the Volcoholics community. With your contribution, we can transform this opportunity into a lasting experience for everyone. Imagine the thrill of being able to check in on this mesmerizing location whenever you please, sharing the magic with your fellow Volcoholics from the comfort of your home. Let's come together, support our community, and make this vision a reality. Every donation brings us one step closer to capturing the essence of our shared passion and creating a unique space for us all to connect. Here's to the future of Volcoholics and the incredible moments we'll share through this exciting endeavor.